We're going to read this book, so let's sing our little song. I love stories, so do you, so do you. Let's all listen up now, let's all listen up now. Close our mouths, close our mouths. So this story is all about my 5 senses. Have a look at the picture to see if you can guess what it's going to be about. And it is written and illustrated by Aliki. And we have 5 main senses which tell us about our world. And here's a little clue as to what the 5 senses are. My 5 senses. Have a look at those pictures and that'll give you some idea. My 5 senses. Lovely big book. Can you see the word that says I? I can see. I see with my eyes. There's the lovely big eyes. You can read along with some of these words. I can hear. I hear with my ears. I can smell. I smell with my nose. There he's using his sense of smell, his nose, to smell those lovely roses. I can taste. I taste with my tongue. And he's licking that lovely sweet ice cream. Looks like chocolate and strawberry flavor. I can touch. I touch with my fingers. How do you think that bunny rabbit feels? Probably soft and warm and cuddly. I do all this with my senses. I have, there's a number, 5 senses. When I see the sun or a frog or my baby sister, I use my sense of sight. I am seeing. There's the little baby sister, and she's using her mouth to sense the world around her. Little babies always stick things in their mouths, don't they? When I hear a drum, boom, 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 or a fire engine, woo, 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 or a bird, I use my sense of hearing. I am hearing. When I smell soap or a pine tree, oh, I love these 2 smells, or cookies just out of the oven, I use my sense of smell. I am smelling. Which one's your favorite? I think I can guess. When I drink my milk and eat my food, I use my sense of taste. I am tasting. When I touch a kitten or a balloon or water, I use my sense of touch. I am touching. Imagine how those feel. I'm sure that is very wet and cold. Sometimes I use all my senses at once. Sometimes I use only one. You should know this word, one. I often play a game with myself. I guess how many senses I am using at that time. When I look at the moon and the stars, I use one sense. I am seeing. When I laugh and play with my puppy, I use 4 senses. I see, hear, smell, and touch. So which sense is he not using? We said there's 5 senses and he's using 4. Which one is missing? It's the sense of taste. He's not tasting his puppy, although with my boys they let the doggies kiss them, and then they're also using their sense of taste. So when I bounce a ball, I use 3 senses. I see, hear, touch. Sometimes I use more of one sense and less of another, but each sense is very important to me because it makes me aware. To be aware is to see all there is to see. Hear all there is to hear. Smell all there is to smell. Taste all there is to taste. Touch all there is to touch. Wherever I go, whatever I do, every minute of the day, my senses are working. They make me aware. So I hope you enjoyed that little story all about our 5 senses. And if you want to, just for fun, you can make yourself a feelie bag or a feelie box. You can get an adult to do it for you, and then you can use your sense of touch to try and feel inside and guess what is inside just using your sense of touch. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm feeling something that is soft and squishy and cuddly, and I think it's a soft toy. Let me see if I'm right. Yes, it's your favorite Pete the cat. Hi, children. Nice to see you. He's been missing you, Pete the cat. Let me stick my hand in again, and I feel something, oh, cold, hard and metallic and springy. I think it's a Slinky Spring. So that was a fun one to touch. Let me do another one. See if I can get it. Wow, this is like paper, but it's rough. Can you hear that? I know this is sandpaper. Yep, sandpaper. Let's do one more. Maybe 2 more. This one's spiky. It's pricking my fingers and it's in some glass. And I think that it's a little spiky cactus. Let's do one more. Just one last one. Let me feel, just using my fingers. It is, let me choose. This is a nice one. This one is squashy and squeezy. I know it's a toy of James's. It's his squishy squashy hamburger. And I felt one more that's quite fun. I felt a rough, I can tell it's from nature. It's a stone and it's rough, and it's also James's, and it's a rock, and he calls this guy Steve. So you can do that yourselves and have fun using your sense of touch to try and figure out what is in your feelie bag.